If you have a house in Warren, Ohio, and you want to sell fast, easy, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Warren, Ohio, and I'm going to explain in this video very briefly why so many sellers in Warren prefer to work with us rather than working with a traditional buyer who needs to qualify for a loan and might be working with some kind of real estate agent or some kind of middleman you're going to end up paying for. Right? With us, there's no middleman, there's no fees, no commissions, and people like working with us better because we're an as-is buyer. So that means you don't got to fix anything, you don't got to clean anything, and you don't got to haul anything away. You can take with you anything that you want out of the house. Anything you don't want, you can leave behind, and we'll take care of it for you. And what allows us to buy your house in its as-is condition is we're a cash buyer. This is the big distinction. This is the big difference between us and a traditional buyer. Since we're paying cash, there's no formal inspections and no formal appraisals. With a traditional buyer who's using a mortgage, the first thing they do is send their formal inspector through. It's very intrusive. They're going to test every outlet, test every light switch, test every ceiling fan, open and close all the doors and the windows, and compile pages and pages and pages. I've seen inspection reports over 100 pages long. This is only compiling things that are wrong with the house so they could use it against you. They're going to want to renegotiate. They're going to want an extension. They're going to want from you. It only is used against you, and then if you survive the inspection, now it gets worse because they got to send the appraiser through. And the appraiser typically represents the bank. And the bank has their own best interests in mind. They can pull the rug out from under this thing at any time, send you right back to square one. You completely wasted your time with this traditional buyer. And you didn't just waste your time, you wasted money. Because every single day that went by while you're waiting for these hoops to be jumped through and all of this nonsense that you just don't even need to deal with when you deal with us, but every day that is wasted is another day you're paying for the utilities, you're paying for the insurance, you're paying for the property taxes. It's just opportunity cost. And all of it is unnecessary when you sell to us, who's a local cash buyer. We just closed one in Warren the other day, a very happy seller, and I got a video. Ask me about it. I'm happy to send that to you. And if you have a house in Warren, you just want to see what your options are, give us a call. We're here, we're local. This is not a call center. We're here and we're local. And our phone number is 614-300-5151. And our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website because we were founded in Columbus, but we are very familiar with Warren, Ohio. And when we get on the phone with you, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and then know more about your timeline for wanting to close. So if you want to close quick, we'll make it happen. If you need flexibility and want to set a future date, we can make that happen too. And we're going to make you a fair cash offer on the house in Warren. If the offer works for you, great. We'll move forward and communicate with you this whole time and make it happen. You're going to get a healthy number and a good offer, no fees taken out whatsoever. But if our offer doesn't work for you, we can just shake hands and part as friends. We're not going to pursue that. We're not going to pressure you. This is not, gimmicks and sales tactics. That's what you get from those call centers, the ones that are sending blast text messages. I want to buy your house. Half these call centers are not even in the United States. They've never been to Warren, Ohio. I can pretty much promise you that. And they're not serious. So avoid the gimmicks and avoid the games. Work with a reputable local company. We got tons and tons of references and reviews, and we're happy to share all that with you. So if you got a house in Warren and you want a fair cash offer or you want to see what we could do for you, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.